Hey, what's up guys, and welcome back to the channel. Well, today is the day we have some incredible news from Pwn's Own, the developer of the Uncover jailbreak. It looks like today is going to be the day that the Uncover jailbreak for iOS 13.5 is released for all devices. So, heading over to Twitter, Pwn says you can now start counting down for the release of Uncover by visiting the website. And look at that, guys, we have a live real-time counter. Now, I think this is the very first time I've ever seen an ETA be released for a jailbreak utility, but there we have it, guys. In a little less than 4 hours, we will have an Uncover jailbreak for iOS 13.5. Absolutely incredible news by Pwn. If you guys are excited, definitely hit that thumbs up button. Stick around as we will have a dedicated jailbreak tutorial and a bunch of top tweak videos coming very, very soon. Now, the only other thing I wanted to say was this jailbreak is super unique. It's going to be one of the few jailbreaks that are released on a publicly signed version of iOS, meaning anyone can upgrade to this iOS version and immediately jailbreak. In fact, this hasn't been around since the days of iOS 8. As Pwn says in his own words, this will be a big milestone for the jailbreaking community. Anyway, super awesome news, guys. In just a little less than 4 hours, we will have an updated utility for Uncover for iOS 13.5. Again, it's going to be for all iOS devices that can run it. Anyhow, guys, like I said, definitely stay tuned for more awesome content by us. But until then, this is Tony, signing out.